Welcome to the world of rustic wooden crafts, where creativity meets sustainability. In an age where mass-produced items dominate the market, rustic wooden decor offers a refreshing alternative that resonates with those seeking authenticity and individuality in their homes. This craft embraces the natural beauty of wood, highlighting its unique textures, grains, and imperfections, which tell a story of their own. With a growing emphasis on eco-friendly practices, artisans are increasingly turning to reclaimed and scrap wood, transforming what might be considered waste into beautiful, functional pieces. The charm of rustic decor lies not only in its aesthetics, but also in its ability to create warm, inviting spaces that reflect the personality of the homeowner. As you delve into the realm of rustic wooden crafts, you'll discover a rich tapestry of skills, techniques, and creative possibilities. From mastering basic woodworking skills to exploring innovative finishing techniques, artisans have the opportunity to express their creativity while adhering to sustainable practices. The market demand for these unique, handcrafted items continues to rise, driven by consumers who value the stories behind each piece and the craftsmanship involved. Whether you're an experienced woodworker or a novice looking to explore your creative side, the journey into rustic woodworking offers endless opportunities for transformation and profit, allowing you to create not just decor, but meaningful art for the home. If you're enjoying this exploration into the world of rustic wooden crafts, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable insights and creative ideas. We invite you to like and share this video with friends and family who appreciate the beauty of handmade decor. By doing so, you'll not only help spread the love for artisanal crafts, but also encourage others to embrace sustainable practices in their own homes. Make sure to stay with us until the end, as we have some exciting tips and tricks to share that will elevate your woodworking skills and ignite your creativity. Your journey into rustic craftsmanship is just beginning, and we can't wait to see what you create. Rustic wooden crafts. Rustic wooden crafts have become a significant trend in home decor, appealing to consumers' desires for authenticity and warmth. The aesthetic of rustic wood brings a natural, organic feel to any space, making a popular choice for those looking to create inviting environments. These crafts often highlight the unique characteristics of wood, such as knots, grain patterns, and imperfections, which add to their charm. Additionally, the trend aligns with a growing interest in sustainable living, as many rustic items are made from reclaimed materials. Sourcing raw and scrap wood. The foundation of any rustic wooden craft lies in the materials used. Sourcing raw and scrap wood is essential for creating authentic pieces. Reclaimed wood, often salvaged from old buildings or discarded furniture, provides rich textures and a sense of history. This practice not only promotes sustainability, but also allows artisans to access a variety of wood species that may not be available in traditional lumberyards. Scrap wood, often viewed as waste, can be transformed into beautiful crafts, showcasing the potential of materials that would otherwise be discarded. Skills for crafting wooden decor. To create high-quality rustic wooden crafts, artisans must possess a range of skills. Basic woodworking techniques, including measuring, cutting, and joining, form the backbone of the crafting process. Familiarity with tools such as saws, chisels, and drills is crucial for shaping wood accurately. Additionally, an understanding of design principles can help artisans create aesthetically pleasing pieces that resonate with consumers. As artisans hone their skills, they can experiment with different styles, leading to unique and innovative creations. Finishing techniques for organic wood. Finishing techniques are vital in enhancing the appearance and durability of rustic wooden crafts. Proper finishing not only protects the wood from environmental damage, but also highlights its natural beauty. Techniques such as staining can bring out the grain and color variations of the wood, while sealing can provide a protective barrier against moisture and wear. Eco-friendly finishes, such as natural oils and waxes, are particularly appealing to consumers looking for sustainable options. These finishing touches can significantly elevate the perceived value of the crafts. Transformations of raw wood. The transformation of raw wood into functional decor items is a central aspect of rustic craftsmanship. Simple planks can be turned into shelves, tables, or decorative items, showcasing the versatility of wood. Each transformation allows artisans to express their creativity and craftsmanship, resulting in unique products that stand out in the market. This process of repurposing wood not only adds value, but also promotes a sustainable approach to crafting, emphasizing the importance of reusing materials. Market demand for rustic crafts. The demand for rustic wooden crafts has surged, driven by consumers' desire for unique and handmade items. In a world dominated by mass production, many people seek products that tell a story and reflect individuality. Rustic crafts often fit this niche perfectly, as they are typically one-of-a-kind pieces that cannot be replicated. Additionally, the growing trend of home decor that emphasizes natural and organic materials has further fueled interest in rustic wood products, making this a lucrative market for artisans. Profit potential in wooden crafts. The profit potential in creating rustic wooden crafts is significant. With relatively low material costs, especially when using reclaimed wood, artisans can achieve high profit margins on their creations. Unique, high-quality pieces can command premium prices, appealing to consumers willing to invest in artisanal products. Custom orders, where customers request specific designs or sizes, can further enhance profitability. As artisans build their brand and reputation, they can expand their offerings and increase their revenue streams. In conclusion, rustic wooden crafts represent a unique opportunity for artisans to blend creativity, sustainability, and market demand. By mastering essential skills and embracing eco-friendly practices, artisans can transform raw wood into high-value home decor items. With a focus on quality, innovation, and community engagement, the potential for profit and growth in this field remains substantial, making it an attractive venture for those passionate about woodworking and design. Thank you for watching the video. We appreciate your time and support as we dive into the fascinating world of rustic wooden crafts. If you found the content inspiring and helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more engaging videos that celebrate creativity and craftsmanship. Don't forget to like and share this video with anyone who might enjoy learning about the beauty of handmade decor. Your engagement helps us grow and continue providing valuable insights and tips for both novice and experienced artisans alike. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to sharing more inspiring content with you in the future.